You have probably seen it, the sleek, green packaging, the promise of sustainability, the claim of a greener future. But behind the facade, a darker truth often lurks. Welcome to the world of greenwashing. In 2009, Volkswagen launched a wide reaching marketing campaign to promote the clean diesel cars. Across print and televised advertisement, including in one primetime Super Bowl commercial, the automaker touted a drastic reduction in tailpipe emission of its new VW and Audi models. Green have never felt so right. But a few years later, the US Environmental Protection Agency discovered that Volkswagen have installed software allowing it to cheat emission tests for 11 million of its vehicles. The automaker's so called green diesel cars actually produce nitrogen oxide emission up to 40 times the legal limit. The resulting Dieselgate scandal marked one of the most notorious examples to date of deceptive environmental marketing, a phenomena known as greenwashing. What does greenwashing mean? Imagine walking through a marketplace where every product promised to save the planet. From eco friendly packaging to sustainable clothing lines, it's hard to miss the green claims. But here's the catch, not all of those promises are what they seem. This is what's known as greenwashing, a deceptive picture where company mislead the customers into thinking they are making environmentally responsible choices when in reality they might not be. Let's dive into how greenwashing shows up in the marketplace and why we need to be alert. First up, environmental buzzwords that have no legal weights. Ever seen a product that claims to be all natural or green, but when you dig deeper, there is no proof to back it up? It is common tactic. Take Coca-Cola for example. The company faced backlash for labeling its Dasani water bottle as 100% recyclable. Sure, the bottle can technically be recycled, but they completely ignored the environmental impact of producing plastic in the first place. It is a classic case of greenwashing. Just because something is recyclable does not mean it's environmentally friendly. Up next, lack of real sustainability. Some companies promote tiny environmental wins to make it seem like they are doing a lot more than they actually are. Starbucks, for example, launched a campaign to eliminate plastic straws. Sounds great, right? But guess what? They keep using plastic cups and lids. It's like swapping one problem for another without addressing the bigger issue. It's a shiny initiative that doesn't really move the needle on plastic pollution. Another snacky move is selective disclosure. This happens when companies emphasize some eco-friendly efforts while hiding the bigger picture. Take Amazon. They have touted their investments in renewable energy, but they rarely talk about the massive carbon footprint of their global logistic networks. It is a classic example of greenwashing tactics, highlighting the good but ignoring the bad. Further, in 2023, Apple got called out for cherry picking data in their sustainability reports. They promoted their environmental wins but completely overlooked issues like labor condition and the environmental toll of constantly launching new products. And then there are fake certification. Some companies uses self-made labels to look official but have no real standards behind them. Take H&M's conscious label. The brand got in hot water for creating a certification system that lacked transparency and serious standards. In fact, they were even fined for $40 million for falsely claiming that some of their products were made with recycled materials. It is an easy way to make consumers feel good about buying something without actually being eco friendly. So, why are companies greenwashing in the first place? Simply for boosting green sales. A study in 2021 shows that 85% of consumers care more about environment when shopping than they did 5 years ago, with many willing to pay more for eco-friendly products. Especially Gen Z, they see climatic change as number one issue and they expect companies to walk the talk. Gen Z is less likely to work for or support companies they think aren't aligned with their values. But it is not always a bad apple trying to deceive people. Sometimes companies genuinely try to be sustainable, but due to poor management or lack of expertise, their efforts don't deliver. Other than boosting sales, environmentalism and environment social and governance criteria have become important consideration for some investors. This has led many businesses to focus on becoming more eco-friendly by reducing waste, cutting emission, recycling, and using renewable energy amongst other efforts. Greenwashing allows these companies to continue their polluting ways while claiming to be environmental stewards. This makes it harder for real sustainable efforts to stand out, which creates a ripple effect. So, what can we do about it? We, as a consumer, should watch out for some red flags before buying, such as claims without any proof, like words vegan, natural, or green, with no data or certification to back them up. Irrelevant claims might include a company saying their product is CFC free, but CFC haven't been used in products for years, or using fake labels or certification to trick you into thinking they are eco friendly when they are not. Being cautious to such red flags is must for consumers. As a consumer, we have the power to demand better. If you get greenwashed, call it out. Social media is a great platform for holding companies accountable. Snap a picture of a misleading claim, tag the company, and let your followers know what's going on. Finally, the most important thing we can do is supporting companies that are truly sustainable. If you spot greenwashing, look for alternatives for brands that are genuinely committed to environment. Search for companies that offers clear, visible claims about their sustainability efforts. Once you find a brand that are doing the right things, support them by purchasing their products and don't forget sharing your experience online. So, next time you see a green product, remember not everything that's marked eco friendly is truly helping the planet. Stay informed, stay critical, and together we can make the world a greener place not just for the companies but for all of us.